offer carpet steam cleaning or pressure washing as part of the service?
Yes, we do. And both services are highly recommended before listing a property for sale, especially if you're aiming for a strong first impression. Carpet steam cleaning removes deep-set stains, odors, and allergens, makes carpets look brighter and smell fresher, helps rooms feel larger, newer, and well cared for. Pressure washing, outdoor high-pressure cleaning, removes dirt, moss, grime, and mildew from driveways, patios, brickwork, and entryways. Instantly lifts the curb appeal of your property. Can also be used on decks, balconies, and outdoor furniture. At Clean House Melbourne, we can bundle steam cleaning and pressure washing into your Presale Clean or offer it as an add-on. We use professional equipment and experienced technicians to ensure the job is done right without damaging surfaces or leaving residue. Your front entry, floors, and outdoor zones are the first and last things buyers see. We make sure they're unforgettable in the best way